In this example, let's learn how to convert small letter character to uppercase and uppercase character to the lowercase. Okay, for that we need to know basics of ASCII. Okay, you can see here the ASCII number for the character A is 65 and ASCII number for character small letter A is 97. Okay, similarly ASCII number for capital B is 66 and ASCII number for small letter B is 98. Okay, we can see there is a difference of 32 between these two. Okay, to convert small letter A to capital A, we need to subtract this number, that is 97 with 32. Okay, then it will become 65 and then we can print the capital A. Similarly, we can subtract 98 by 32 to get the capital B. Okay, this is same for remaining alphabets. Okay, let's run the example and test it. Okay, here in the first variable, that is small letter ch, I am storing this A. Okay, small letter A. Okay, in the second variable, that is capital ch, I am storing the capital B. Okay, now I will show like how to convert this to capital A and how to convert capital B to small letter b. Okay, for that, in the first printf statement, I am just trying to print the character as it is. It will print capital A. Okay, but in the second printf statement, I am trying to convert from smaller case to, okay, this should be like, yeah, smaller case to uppercase. Okay, for that I am subtracting the ASCII value of this ch minus 32. Okay, it will convert from small letter A to capital A. Okay, similarly for the second character, that is capital B, I will convert to small case letter. Okay, for that I am adding plus 32 because see, converting capital B to small letter b, we need to add plus 32 to the 66. It will become 98. Okay, we'll run this and let's check the output. Okay, see, the first character is A. I am printing as it is. In the second printf statement, I am converting this small a to capital A by subtracting minus 32. Okay, it will become capital A. And for the second example, that is converting capital B to small letter b, I am just adding the plus 32 to the ch variable. Okay, it will convert capital B to small b. Okay, like this we can convert uppercase to lower and lowercase to upper if we know this ASCII basics. Okay, thank you.